If your account is being declined or you're facing a billing error at checkout, it's important to act fast so you don't lose your booking. In this video, I will show you how to fix Airbnb payment issues quickly with 5 simple steps. Step 1. Check your payment details. Click the menu icon in the top right, go to Account Settings, then select Payments. Ensure your card hasn't expired and that your billing address matches your bank records exactly. Step 2. Use an alternative method. If your primary card isn't working, try adding a different credit card, a debit card, or use PayPal. Sometimes switching the payment type bypasses specific gateway errors. Step 3. Contact your bank. Many banks block high-value or international travel charges for security. Call your bank to authorize Airbnb or check if you've hit a daily spending limit. Step 4. Switch your device. If you are using the app, try completing the booking on a desktop browser. This often fixes technical glitches or issues with bank authentication windows not appearing. Step 5. Contact Airbnb support. If the error persists, scroll to the bottom of any page and click Help Center. Search for Payment Issue and click the Contact Us button. Depending on your region, you will see options to start a live chat, send an email, or request a call so a representative can manually assist with the transaction. That's how you fix a payment failed error on Airbnb.